Hey guys, Albert here from Strike Industries, showing you an installation video of our Viper Modular fixed stock. So first you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 3mm Allen key, and let's get started. So first you're going to put the base shim, which looks like this. Notice the flat edge on one side and the contours on the other side. This side is going to go directly behind the receiver of your rifle. So it's going to slide on just like that. Next, you're going to choose between 1 to 3 shims. So today we'll just go ahead and pick just one shim, but this stock allows you to have 4 different lengths of pull. You want to align the nubs of the shim with the hole of the base shim that you just put on. Just like that. So after you've placed the correct amount of shims, you're then going to install the mounting block for your stock. And this protruding piece right here is going to be placed onto the second to last hole of your buffer tube, usually depending on what kind of buffer tube you're running. Next, you're going to slide on the main part of the stock. All right, so once you do that, you're going to grab your Allen key. You'll need to remove the butt pad. Take that screw, set it to the side, take the butt pad off. Next, we're going to grab the bolt and insert it into the back of the stock and tighten it until it's snug. All right. So now we're going to slide the butt pad back on. Grab that small screw that you took off, place it in the back of the butt pad, and grab that Allen key to lock everything in place. And that completes it. So that's the installation of our Viper Modular fixed stock. I'm Albert with Strike Industries. I'll see you in the next video.